everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how can you create PDF file using your Windows 10 operating system. It's too much easy to make PDF file using your JPG image. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, you have to choose your JPG image. You can see if I right click and if I click in the properties, you can see this is JPG file, right? And this all are JPG files. And if you want to create this all JPG file into PDF file, first of all you have to select all the file by pressing Shift. After this you have to right click, then just go in print. Okay, oh, just wait for a moment, I did mistake. Just right click, then go to print, and you have to choose this option. There is lots option available. One is OneNote, another is QuickBook, but I'm choosing the Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, then after this you can see there is 8 pages. Okay, and you can choose the paper size from here, and you can choose the quality also from here. After this you can choose the size also from here, like full page photo 4x6 inch like this, but I'm choosing full page photo. After this just click in print and just choose the location and you can save it, and I'm saving demo PDF. Okay, and just click in save. Now it's creating a PDF file. Just wait for a moment. Okay, yeah, now it's done. If I went in the demo PDF, you can see here there is 8 pages PDF file, right? It's too much easy, and you can use this trick to convert your JPG image into PDF file. So you can use this trick. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.